In this video, I will show you how to insert fillable line in Microsoft Word document. So very simple and easy way. You can try two methods. First method, press shift and press the minus key on your keyboard like this. Keep your cursor, make some space, press and hold shift and draw this line. Shift then minus key on your keyboard. Now file and print. Another way, you can use the line. So insert then shape, select the line and press and hold shift and draw line. Once it's selected in shape outline, you can change the weight and you can select the color. Now just copy and paste and keep, and also you can insert the another line like this. So thanks for watching.